let's see how multi-level production orders are getting planned and how circulation quantity, meaning WIP, is managed. So I'm making one production order for one item, let's say 20 pieces, and I'll save it. There are many things can be explained as far as production order is concerned, but let's concentrate on some specific areas. Planning is not done yet, so this is start of planning and end of planning will be displayed a bit later after planning is done. Let's make a sub production order for these items. Inspection orders also can be generated if I click this, but let's skip that part for maybe another session if needed. So right now sub production orders are getting generated. Will take a bit, maybe 20-30 seconds like this. So all sub production orders are generated now, and we can view them in this document explorer window like this. Now let's plan them. Forward and backward planning can be done. We can select if alternate resource planning will be done by system or not. This is where we can de-plan processes if needed. So planning has been done now, and we'll see Gantt chart and along with the start date and end date like this. So this is how planning has been done, and let me show you how planning is done in planning window. So this is how planning has been done, and this is calendric view, something like this. This is where we will be able to see the sequence of the production order, and if this is the deviation from the delivery date. Our main production order was 348 and sub production orders are like this. So sub production orders will be planned first. 348 is the 348 is the main production order, and so 348 will be taken first, and rest will be if I do like this, then sub production or main production order will be processed, will be planned last, and the sub production orders are executed first, and sub production orders are planned first, and last will be the parent item like this. So sub production order is getting deviated by 50 days, and if I change the delivery date, we will be able to see the system is telling us that we will be lagging behind by 50 days. We can take the necessary actions to make it in time. Maybe we can talk to customer and postpone the delivery date, or we can outsource some processes and we can change the delivery date as well, or something can be done. So Here we will be able to see what production order, why is getting delayed, or what production order is getting delayed because of the difference between delivery date and the end of the planning. In this table, this is the production order number, this is date, this item description, start of planning, end of planning, and delivery date, and here is the difference. Here is the item name and the other details related to this production orders. Remember, everywhere you can export any of the table in Excel or CSV or PDF. So planning is done now. We are not going more in detailing of the planning, but let's see how circulation quantity is displayed in. I'm going to production module, and in production info module I'm going to production monitor, where we can see which production order and which process is having a total quantity listed, produced quantity, and the circulation quantity, like this. There are lots of other details are there, but let's make you can filter anywhere something. We can select filter the way we want, like this. So we can see all BM machines are filtered now, and we can remove this if we want to. So this is how circulation quantity is displayed in this table. Now let's make a feedback of production order number 368. 368 meaning this one. So let me go to PRM module, feedback module. The processes of the 368 production order is listed here, and I'll make the 20 pieces are to be in circulation. Quantities, let's say we made 19 pieces for this process, 18 for this, 17 for this, and maybe 10 for this. As far as finish item is concerned, we are going to get the 10 pieces. We didn't make this item as serial item or batch item, otherwise we might have to provide the serial number for this. This item is going to be debited of this many quantities. If we want to change it, we can change, maybe we can make it 2 or something. Here we can select the warehouse. In this we can configure the how from where this item will get debited, from production warehouse, but we are skipping this part as far as this section is concerned. So every time we can configure in such a way that anything is getting debited while production will get debited from the production warehouse. Here you can select the concerned person as well to who perform this job, and here I'll need to provide the process batch number. Let's say 526 is the process batch number, and here we can mention scrap, downtime, and the quantity which we made. So let me save it now. We made a feedback for 368 production orders. Let me save it. So feedback has been done, and let's go back to the production monitor. Let's refresh it. So 368 production order is now, let me sort it. So 368 production order is feedback now. So 20 is the total quantity, 19 is the produced quantity, and let's say circulation quantity is 1. So this is how we can track, we can view the WIP. There are some other places also available in timeline where we can see the item wise or production order wise WIP quantity, but this is how a WIP quantity, produced quantity, and everything can be viewed like this. What is left over, and we can filter anywhere, or we also can export it to Excel or PDF. So this is how WIP quantity is managed. There are lots of other in info module we can see the item information table, item information, or there are other SQL supported info module also can be generated to view the status of production order or machine wise or something. Anyway, so I believe I explained how WIP quantity, WIP is managed. Let's give a look in the 368 and routing plan. Here is the circulation quantity and here is the produced quantity. So this is the way WIP is managed in timeline. Thank you.